Hello and welcome to the video presentation for our project Describe, which is a tool for recording lecture transcripts and creating automatic human-like summaries. My name is Samarth, and me with my teammates Nirbhay, Rajat and Yash would like to thank Dr. Georgi Guzun for guiding us throughout the development of our project. Our motivation is to transform the classroom learning experience by empowering students with an automatic note-taking tool which can also produce summaries of the lectures and help in their learning.
The heart of the project is the text summarization engine. There are two types of summarization techniques. First is the extractive summarization technique, which directly copies text from the source transcript. The second is the abstractive technique, which creates human-like summaries by transforming sentences from the source transcript into new sentences. We aim to create a hybrid model by combining the best of both techniques. We evaluate our model using the ROGUE score metric. Intuitively, the ROGUE metric compares the fraction of n-gram words present in the machine-generated summary to that in the actual human-generated summary.
This is the high-level overview of our tool. The lecturer can record their voice, which is converted to the text by using the Google Cloud Speech-to-Text API. The transcript is then fed to the summarization engine. The generated summary is stored in the database. The student can view the generated summary in the user interface.
Our implementation is based on the sequence-to-sequence and neural networks. The tokenized lecture is fed to the encoder, which generates the hidden decoder states, and a attention distribution is created using it. In the decoder step, we use the context vector and hidden decoder states to generate a probability which allows the model to pick the word either from its vocabulary or from the article. A coverage vector is also implemented, which keeps the track of all the words which have been attended previously and allows the model to not pick those words again. These are the ROGUE scores of our model, having the pointer generator implementation, compared with the baseline model containing only sequence-to-sequence attention mechanism. As you can see, the model performs significantly better than the baseline on all the ROGUE scores. Now we are going to demonstrate our application. I'm going to play an introductory Python lecture to demonstrate the voice-to-text feature of our application. On the UI, I will push the button which triggers the start of the recording. As the lecture progresses, you will see the live transcript on the bottom part of the screen.
In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started programming in Python. Now, Python is one of the most popular programming languages out there, and it's by far one of the most sought after for jobs. And so if you're trying to get a job, or you're trying to, automate your life, or you're trying to write awesome scripts to do a bunch of different things, then Python's for you. Honestly, more and more developers every day are moving their projects over to Python because it's such a powerful and it's such an easy to use language. A lot of programming languages out there just aren't very beginner friendly. There's a lot of syntax, there's a lot of little things that if you get wrong, the program will yell at you. Python is the complete opposite of that. You basically just type out what you want to do and Python does it. It's that simple. There's not a whole lot of syntax to learn. The learning curve is literally zero. You jump in, you can start writing your first program in seconds. In this course, I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know to get started in Python.
On clicking the stop recording button, the application will start decorating the transcript with punctuation. This is a critical step for the summarization to work. Now the lecture transcript is queued for the summarization engine to work upon and create summaries. We can click on Text Summaries button on the navbar to view the summaries of the current as well as previous lectures. We can see that grammatical errors such as the presence of word more consecutively is corrected in the generated summary. Additionally, the word profit, which seems contextually incorrect, was identified and replaced by the word product in the generated summary. As you can see, the model is able to produce summaries which is extractive but also adds relevant phrases which are not in original transcript, giving it abstract qualities.